myself Sundaram, this is next level. So here one person told that like this basically steps are connected with me. One person basically was not able to clear the thing basically. He was not able to understand that how basically one human body basically is connected with set of land basically. That means he was confused basically that one human body basically whatever things he is doing basically the base is that land basically. So he actually told that basically. So whatever things basically he's doing basically that is going to reflect to that land also basically. So that's basically is the zoology group department basically. So he told that basically this answer basically only zoology group basically might be having. But that is 100% sure basically from basically the person. For example, one person is connected with 35 cities, but not entire cities basically. 35 cities, not entire land basically of one city. He might be connected with some 1 kilometer areas, 2 kilometer areas of each city basically. So 1% of the DS basically. So like this basically his mapping basically might have done. But here one person asked the question basically, the person's body basically effect. For example, he got some disease basically. So that land is going to affect basically. So one person told that might be possible that land basically might get 100% effect. Might get 100%. For example, he gets head chakkar basically. His head basically somebody damaged. So that land basically is going to affect. So 1%. So that basically we have not checked. One of the zoology department basically told we have not checked basically this. But in this world basically 700 crore population is there. 20 crore child basically is going to come. So this type of thing basically you have not checked. So one of the zoology department told that yes basically that was big mistake basically we have done. So one of the satellite person told that basically don't worry basically we have basically checked that basically. That's why basically satellite groups basically keeps the control of everything basically. So next video basically we are going to study good more about this.